Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is class 10th, subject to general science. Our today's topic is conductors and insulators. Yesterday we had discussed charge. The flow of charge, it constitutes electric current or electricity. There are some substances through which the electric charges can flow easily, and there are also some substances through which the charge cannot flow. On this basis, substances they are divided into two types: conductors and insulators. Conductors, these are the substances through which the electric charges can flow or through which the electricity can flow. Such substances they are called conductors. They are called conductors. Conductors हसा गए तम substances यमो मज electric current या electricity flow कर तम छ सना conductors. For example, all metals like silver, copper, aluminum, they are conductors. Similarly, metal alloys such as nickel, magnesium, constantinium, they are also conductors. But their electrical conductivity it is lower than that of pure metals. Non-metals they are bad conductor of electricity. There is an exception to this. Graphite is a non-metal, is the only non-metal which is a good conductor of electricity. Human body, it is also a purely a good conductor of electricity. These are conductors. So we can say that conductors they allow the electric current or electric charges to pass through them. Now there are second category of substances. These are called insulators. Insulators they are the substances which through which electric charge can flow. Yemo muz electric charge flow kar. They are called insulators. For example, glass, ebonite rod, rubber, most plastics, dry wood, cotton, mica, dry air, they are insulators. Insulators on be insulators hasa गई तम substances यमोन मज न electric current flow कर कहीं. Such substances through which electricity cannot flow or through which electric current cannot flow, they are called insulators. Insulators क्या है electric current charge दिवान पानस मज पकना कहीं. Yeah, for example, in the case of charged insulators like glass, ebonite rod, when they are rubber, electric charge remain bound to them. They do not move away. So we have just seen that some of the substances they are conductors, some are insulators. We will now see the reason for this difference. Why insulators do not allow the electric current and electric charge to pass through them. We see all conductors, metals, they have some electrons which are loosely held by these electrons, by their nuclei or their atoms. These electrons they are called free electrons, and they can move from one atom to another atom throughout the body. This presence of free electrons makes them a good conductor of electricity. Conductors good conductors of electricity because conductors they contain some electrons which are loosely held by the nuclei of their atoms. क्योंकि electrons are loosely held by their nuclei. Nucleation tightly held. They are loosely held by their nuclei. Due to the presence of free electrons, what happens? These electrons they move freely. These are insulators. In the conductors, they allow the electrons due to the presence of, because they contain free electrons. It is the presence of free electrons which makes them a good conductor of electricity. Electrons present in insulators, they are strongly held by the nuclei of their atoms. That means there are no free electrons in the insulators. In the insulator free electrons insulators, they lack free electrons. Insulators lack free electrons. Free electrons, they lack free electrons. Free electrons due to the absence of free electrons which cannot move from one atom to another atom, in insulator they does not allow electric current to flow through in them.